In our last video, I showed you the London crypto trend and momentum indicators that our analysts have been using to identify trades and share them with our trading Discord community. In this video, I'm going to show you the results of those trades that I showed you on our last video, and also take a look at how I expect price action to unfold in the short term in Bitcoin and Ethereum. So we'll start with Bitcoin and Ethereum on the larger timeframes first. On the weekly, as you can see, we looked like we were holding 65.5k at the beginning of the week. However, we had that big drop on Wednesday, and now we're trading below 65.5k, below that 0.236 on the fib. So it looks like a weekly close below here, and we may well revisit those 60k lows once again. As I've been saying the past few weeks, as long as these hold, it's all good. However, a weekly close below the 382 and at 60.5k, then I think we may well see lower, maybe even drops at 52k, or maybe where the 0.5 meets the moving average 21 on the weekly time frame. So those are the options. As I say, I do think we are going to get another sweep of 60.5k. It's whether that holds or not, whether that is the retracement done or we're going to see lower. If we go down to the daily, if we zoom in, so I mentioned this daily range that we were in on Monday, and as you can see, I highlighted this as a bit of a trouble area at around 67k. Not only was it the daily mid-range, however, but it was also the moving average 21. And as you can see, we did manage to get over the moving average 21, held it on Tuesday, however, big drop on Wednesday, and failed to get over that daily mid-range after 3 attempts. So weakness in the market, as you can see. And not only are we below the moving average 21, but we are also trending down on the RSI as well. And as you can see, the trend and momentum indicator is in the red as well. So not looking too good at the moment in the short term. As I've said, I do think we are going to get one more sweep of 60k. And then whether we bounce from there or have a breakdown further, we'll have to wait and see. But I think in the short term, we are looking for lower prices. Let's see how that plays out. If we take a look at Ethereum as well, weekly time frame, we are just about hanging on to that 382 fib retracement level, which is around 3061, that weekly level there. The moving average 21 also catching up on the weekly time frame. So Ethereum not looking as bad as BTC at the moment, which is reflected in ETH BTC the last few days. We go down to the daily time frame. Again, highlighted this as a potential trouble area on Monday. This daily level 3251, previous support and current resistance. As you can see, we rejected from there twice, and also it was the moving average 21, which as you can see we also rejected, and we haven't been able to close back above. So both BTC and Ethereum trending down, and as you can see on the trend and momentum the trend and momentum indicator, Ethereum in the red as well and below the RSI 50. So not favorable for longs at the moment. It looks to me, at least in the short term, we are looking at lower prices. And if we just take a quick look at the S&P as well, as I've talked about over the last few weeks, I think we could be seeing this come down to retest those previous all-time highs at 4823. So as I say, if there's continued weakness in the S&P, then I think that rubs off onto crypto. We may well see a bit of a bigger pullback. So let's move on to the trades that we talked about on Monday, starting with DOGE, which is the one I talked about, a potential entry on the release of the video because of the timing of it. So we were back here, where were we? Monday afternoon, and I was talking about the fact that we had green trend bars on the Doge USDT pair, green trend bar on the BTC. As you can see, we were above the RSI 50. We were trending up above the moving average 21 and but holding this key 4-hour level of 15.7 cents. As you see, got off to a good start. Hopefully you took some profit there, but TP1 moved stop loss to break even before we had that big drop on the 4-hour, big 4-hour candle drop on Wednesday afternoon, which was due to BTC. It was classic up the stairs, out the window type price action that we usually see from Bitcoin. So as I say, hopefully took a bit of profit and moved stop loss to break even on that one. On the other two that I showed you, which I posted in the Discord, which was, first one was Rose. Again, same entry conditions, green on the trend bars, above the RSI 50, trending above the moving average 21, holding this level of support. And as you can see, we tagged TP1 at 10.7 cents, moved our stop loss to break even. And unfortunately, we were stopped out at break even by that big drop on the 4-hour. Same with VeChain. Again, same entry conditions as you can see. came up, tagged TP1, moved stop loss to break even, and then that big 4-hour drop. And as you can see, but on all of these pairs now, we are actually trending below the moving average 21. These previous supports have flipped to resistance, red trend bars below the RSI 50. So now is looking like a good area for shorts as opposed to longs until those conditions change. The last one was Matic, which I took on my personal account. Once again, very lucky to have hit TP just before the drop, as you can see. So got in, same entry conditions, green trend bars above RSI 50, above the moving average 21, sat on support, tagged TP, and then, as you can see, got out before the drop. So that was quite fortunate. As I showed you in Monday's video, our Discord, all of our trades go in here, as you can see. Anthony does quite a lot of scalping, Dan and Adam as well, doing a lot of scalping and some swing trades as well. And then all of the trade results, as you can see, going here in trade success. And as you can see, plenty of successful trades in there. So if you're interested in joining the trading community we've got, go to our website, learningcrypto.co.uk, and you can see it's all on there. Our indicator comes with entry to the Trades Lounge as well. You can pay monthly or annual. Big discount on annual, and also there is a promo code in the comments below as well for a nice juicy discount as well. So if you're into trading and or you want to learn, then jump in and we'll see you in there. So that's pretty much it for the video. As I say, I think caution is to be advised over the next few days. We could well see some more downside, see 60k retested, and then we'll see where we go from there. But don't be too glued to the screens. Get out there, enjoy your weekend. The markets will still be here on Monday, and so will we. So I'll see you then.